Safety on. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, let go. There you go.
Okay, Cody.
Come on, Cody boy.
I got it, yeah, but Cameron's gonna shoot, so we gotta stand back.
So which one are you aiming for, Cameron? Same
Can you
one,
take
or?
the safety off and keep your other finger away from the trigger?
I aimed for the top one.
Keep your trigger finger away from there until you're ready to shoot. Okay.
Okay, make sure it's clear.
Okay. Now you can just shoot the rest. You don't have to go. Look. Get away from the front of the gun. Come this way.
Cody?
Pull the magazine, slide it down and out. Just drop it down. There you go. Get behind the gun.
Cody.
Your enemy is stealing your gun.
Hey!
A little baboon.
Take the knife out.
So you're gonna knife him?